To avoid issues with Venmo transfer, start by understanding how the service works. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money using their mobile devices. First, ensure you have a verified Venmo account. Verifying your account helps prevent any potential issues with transactions, such as having your account frozen or transfers being declined. To verify your account, you will need to provide some personal and financial information. Next, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account before initiating a transfer. If you are using a credit or debit card, ensure it is valid and has enough balance to cover the transfer amount. When sending money, double-check the recipient's information, including their name and phone number or email address. A small mistake can lead to the transfer being sent to the wrong person, and it may be difficult to recover the funds. Be cautious of scams and phishing attempts. Never send money to someone you do not know, and be wary of requests for payments from unfamiliar sources. To protect your account, use a strong and unique password, and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to access your account. Finally, monitor your account activity regularly. Check your transaction history to ensure all transfers are legitimate, and report any suspicious activity to Venmo immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can avoid common issues with Venmo transfers and ensure a safe and convenient payment experience.